What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I would like to share with you guys I'm building a new X58 build for you guys. So really budget build guys. So as you can see, the CPU I'll be ordering, I already have the CPU, the Intel Xeon W3530 clock at 2.8 GHz and 8M cache. It's definitely a great CPU, quad core CPU. If you want to compare the CPU, you can compare a Xeon W3530 performance compared to a Intel Core i5 4440. So basically, as you can see, the benchmark of Intel Xeon W3530 clock at 2.8 GHz, benchmark 5372. Now compared to a Core i5 4440, as you can see, 6402. So basically, you will get almost the same performance of a Core i5. Okay, don't worry, CPU only costs $10, but basically I have a 2010 Mac Pro, and my Mac Pro came with the W3530 processor, and that's why I didn't buy it, because I upgraded my Mac Pro from W3530 to a 3680. That's the reason I had the spare CPU laying around, and I was thinking I should build a budget gaming PC with that. So you know, I know a lot of you will be really interested, and X58 is a great build guys. Most of you guys know Brian from Tech Yes City, and he really does recommend X58 if you are someone coming from console, or you just want to build a budget gaming PC. So the PC we'll be building will be around like $200. Okay, that's not including the graphic card. Now I'll be running some benchmark with the RX 480 and GTX 1070, and we'll see what kind of performance we can get out from a W3530 processor and X58 chipset. Now as you can see, the motherboard I'm using now, as you guys know, the X58 motherboard is really expensive. Not like expensive mean it's hard to get one, and if you do get one from a Gigabyte, Asus, or ASRock, Asus one I think somewhere goes for like almost $200, and I seen some ASRock one goes for like 130, and Gigabyte one goes for like same price. You could get some Chinese version. I don't really trust those. You could get it for like 89 bucks, but I really don't trust, you know, order from China and then receive it here, and then it's a DOA, it's not working. So I'm not gonna I'm just not gonna deal with that. So basically I'm using a HP Z400 motherboard. Basically it's a LGA 1366 motherboard, X58. Now as you can let me see if I could show you somewhere. So as you can see right here, the chipset Intel X58. Okay, as you can see, the socket LGA 1366. You can see the motherboard. It comes with two PCI 2.0 PCI slot, so you can install your graphic card in anyone, but I will definitely go with the top one. It's better because I think the top one, the first one, is a 16X, so definitely. And also as you can see, the I/O is 6 USB 2, and you know, you have your audio jack and your Ethernet, you know, basic stuff. Now the reason I order a HP Z400 motherboard, because it comes with regular 24 pin, as you can see, power supply part, the 24 pin, and also basically it's a regular motherboard. Okay, and you can install like 4 DIMM in there. So I order ECC RAM for as you can see, HP Micron 16 GB. Okay, 4x4, so basically 16 GB. Basically I paid $19. Yes, so this system will support ECC RAM, because the W3530 processor does support ECC RAM, so you can go with some cheap RAMs. For $19, 16 gig RAM, you can't go wrong, guys. Also, I ordered a Cooler Master Hyper 212 CPU cooler from Newegg, and it was only 19 bucks, and it was open box. How can you go wrong? So basically what I'm thinking, I'm building this system with all the used parts, so why should I go even with the new cooler? So I just ordered an open box one for 19 bucks. You guys should definitely jump on this. Go, jump right now. Okay. Also, I have a SSD laying around. It's a SanDisk 120 gig. I didn't pay $40 for it. I had one laying around. I bought like maybe a year and a half ago. So I'll be using that SSD. Same one as you can see right here. And also, I'm a bit confused with the power supply I'll be using, but I do have a Corsair CX600 laying around and a Corsair TX650 laying around. Now I have to check which power supply will work. So you guys will see my build video maybe Wednesday, Thursday, maybe latest Friday. Then I'll show you guys which power supply I will go. Guys, I'll be using my old case, the one I have laying around, Freckle Define R4 case, the one I painted from black to white, and also I use the same case for the build dual Xeon A5 2670 build. So I'm thinking about using the same case. I'm still not sure, but I have to see what happened by Thursday or Friday. But like I say, stay tuned guys. You guys will see the build, and I will try to show you guys as much I can step by step, so you guys could follow and maybe build your own. And also I'll list all the parts. But what I'm thinking, if you go with a HP Z400 motherboard for your LG 1366 CPU, and look, you can see all the CPU this motherboard supports. So you can go with W3520, 3540, 3550. Now 3580, the highest one basically you can go with, because as you can see it's a 3.3 gigahertz. But I will just go with the CPU I have laying around. So as you can see right here, that's the CPU I have. Okay, that's the CPU I'll be using. And like I said, the CPU came with my Mac Pro 2010, and I just had the CPU laying around. That's one of my spare CPU. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are feeling excited, let me know guys. I'll be building a system with the $10 CPU, and we're gonna run some benchmark, gaming benchmark, Fire Strike, Cinebench, you know, we'll have some fun. Okay, if you guys have any question, just leave in the comment below. And like I said, this system will cost somewhere around $200, because I'm using all the used parts. So the CPU is used, the motherboard is used. Actually the motherboard is new, but I'm thinking this motherboard is used. The RAMs are used. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 CPU cooler is used, open box. And also the SanDisk SSD I have is like a year and a half old, so it's basically used. And the power supply I have is used, so everything used guys. So let me just show you guys the CPU benchmark again. A $10 CPU guys, with the benchmark 5372, and it's a quad core. And the reason I'm telling you guys this CPU will perform like a boss, because when I had the Mac Pro 2010 and I had the CPU in that system, W3530, and I had the dual boot in the system, and I did play Battlefield 4 and I played GTA 5, and it was performing pretty good. Okay, so that's why I'm really I don't know, I'm really happy. I think the system will come out pretty good. So stay tuned for the build video plus the benchmark video, and that should be it. And we'll be building a lot of system together. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.